No longer will you need to waste valuable time with old dusting methods. Today, we'll discover the power of a strong electric air duster together. These devices allow you to quickly dry items on the go and clean leaves and debris from your car. It's well known that the power of the product is essential, but agility is just as important. Let's take a closer look at our products. Number 5. Vogma V9. The Vogma V9 is the perfect combination of power, speed, and innovation. This technological marvel is specifically designed to make your daily life easier. Fast and efficient, the Vogma V9 delivers high power output, effortlessly tackling any challenge. With its perfect ergonomic design, it fits comfortably in your hand, making it incredibly easy to use. Its long-lasting battery life and fast charging capabilities ensure that the Vogma V9 is always there when you need it. Its premium materials enhance durability, while its powerful motor speeds up your tasks. When in use, you'll barely hear the Vogma V9, but you will definitely feel its power. With this device, you can easily clean computer keyboards, car interiors, and hard-to-reach areas. Number 4. Fresmol VC018. The Fresmol VC018 acts as a true warrior against dust and dirt. This powerful vacuum device is designed to deeply clean every corner and crevice. It actively seeks out hidden dust and eliminates it without a trace, giving your daily cleaning tasks a significant boost. Its powerful motor removes dust and debris in seconds while operating quietly, ensuring no disturbance. Equipped with a 7,500 mAh battery, it provides 20 to 40 minutes of continuous use. With a Type-C fast-charging cable, it fully recharges in just 3 to 4 hours. Thanks to its built-in LED lights, you can easily clean dark and hard-to-reach areas. If you're looking for a powerful, convenient, and highly effective device, the Fresmol VC018 is a must-try. Number 3. Yakko Compressed Air Duster. No more need for disposable air cans. This rechargeable air duster cleans various surfaces without causing any damage and is designed for long-lasting use. With its powerful 300,000 RPM motor, it blows away dust and dirt particles, easily tackling any challenge. The 10,000 mAh battery provides 30 to 40 minutes of continuous use. And with Type-C fast-charging technology, it fully charges in just 2.5 hours. The ideal cleaning solution, the Yakko Compressed Air Duster, perfectly cleans keyboards, lenses, and more. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to carry, providing you with assistance wherever you go. Due to its convenience and design, the compressed air duster could be the perfect choice for you. Number 2. Coilbone BS8402. Ready to revolutionize your cleaning? Let's take a closer look at this device that will bring a new touch to your life. With the Coilbone BS8402, dust and dirt can't escape. Thanks to its powerful internal motor, this device cleans dust particles deeply and quickly. This device offers the perfect solution for cleaning everything from hard-to-reach places to delicate electronic devices. With its long battery life, the Coilbone BS8402 works continuously for extended periods, cleaning every corner. The fast charging function allows the device to be ready for use again in no time. Ensuring cleanliness everywhere, the Coilbone BS8402 is also safe for delicate surfaces. Would you like to get this device? Share your thoughts in the comments. Number 1. Wolfbox MF100. Wolfbox MF100, a cleaning device where you can feel its power and performance. As its name suggests, this device is both powerful and effective. Equipped with a high-speed motor, this device cleans dust and dirt instantly. Its compact design allows for easy use anywhere. With a long battery life, it can work continuously for about 100 minutes in the first speed mode. The device charges in just 2.5 hours with its fast charging feature. If you're looking for a powerful and portable device, the Wolfbox MF100 is the perfect choice. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and shares.